Hi everyone, Jaymes Mansfield here bringing you yet another video. Now in this video, I'm going to share with you one of my wig tricks. Yes. This is an old school wig trick that has been done for generations for wig making. It's called the wig oven. Now, normally a wig oven is a heated piece of furniture. It's like a drawer that you can open up and have shelves in it, and you put wigs inside of it and you close it, and there's a heater vent that puts up low levels of heat to help dry the hair. Well, those can be very, very expensive. A lot of them are like, they have to buy them in the UK and ship them over here. Not a whole lot are made locally here in the US. So a great way of achieving this is by doing it yourself at home with materials you probably already have laying around. What you will need for this is a cardboard box, a pen, some scissors or a X-Acto knife, and a blow dryer. Now, I've already showed you this trick before in my wig tutorials, but in case it's gotten buried because I've done a lot of wig videos since then, I'm gonna make a standalone video for this wig oven trick just so you have a point of reference. Alrighty, here we go. Let's get started. First things first, we're gonna take our pen and our blow dryer. Now, the nozzle of the blow dryer is gonna be the part we're gonna use our pen and trace around it. Now, pick a part of the box. I usually go for more towards like the end right here. Just do that, and like a stencil, just trace around it. It doesn't have to be too perfect. It just has to be enough so that we can cut it out and stick the blow dryer's nozzle through. There, see, we have a little bit of a circular there. You take your scissors and just start cutting that out. There we go. Throw away your cardboard coin and put away your scissors. You have a nice little circle here, and just use the blow dryer and stick it in there to get that groove nice and smooth down. There. And all you need now is just take a wig that is already ready to go. This one I just steamed this morning. We're gonna stick her inside. Open up the doors. Okay, stick her in. Now the use of a wig oven is very, very simple. After you steam set a wig, a quick way to dry it is by sticking it in a wig oven and using some low level heat to help dry it. And I've been doing a lot of research lately. I got a couple of theater wig making books, and they explain the uses of the wig oven in a very similar fashion where they use it to help heat set the hair so it lasts a lot longer, especially for stage when people are sweating and stuff. The hairstyle, if it's set poorly, will sweat out and it'll get really, really trashed really quickly. Whereas with the wigs in the theater, they want them to last for a very long time. So multiple wears. So they have to make sure the wig is set perfectly. All right, now we're gonna close up the oven. And a lot of people tape it shut, but this is just my little way of doing it. And then you turn it on and let her rip. Okay, and my blow dryer is not on for the sake of demonstration for this video. I normally leave my blow dryer running for about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on the length and wetness of the hair. And please do not leave this unattended. Don't put that on me if your house burns down. I don't want that on my conscience, all right? Use your wig ovens responsibly. It's a very easy, fun to make tool that'll help your hairstyling out tons. So this is my video on the wig oven. I hope you all learned something today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you like this video, why not get one of your very own? I have a Cameo page linked down below where I'll make a video just for you saying just about anything within reason. And I also am selling styled wigs, so be sure and click the link down below to my website if you would like to own a wig that was styled by moi. And until next time, bye! Click here and see me transform a $15 wig from Amazon. Or see how I cut away flyaways. Come on, click it. You know you want to. If you don't click it, I'll tell your boss all about your great Carol Channing impersonation. Raspberries.